Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie and I've got two collector's case. One is a sure thing and one is not, and I don't know which one, and it's not marked, so we'll maybe, hold on, maybe there's a hint on the label. Yeah, there is. Okay. So, we will start with the one that's not a sure thing. Get rid of these glasses. Oh, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below and we will get started. You can also ring that bell and that'll get you notified of any upcoming videos. Okay, so a double hitter of the collector's case. Okay, I doubt I'll get lucky enough to get two. Okay, we got a mask. Let's see who it is. Who is it? I don't know. I can't see from here. Iron Maiden. It's Eddie. Oh, very cool. Even my wife won't complain about this. She's very anti-horror, but she's a Maiden fan, so that'll be good. Okay, I did see somebody's preview of their video, and they showed that they got a pop. So I know there's a pop in here, and it feels like two boxes. So here's some small things. Let's get to them first. Okay, Five Nights at Freddy's pen. You always use a pen, right? Sleepy Hollow trading cards. I'm not going to open these up on air because although I don't think they'll be as dull as the James Bond one, it just takes a lot of time to go through all those cards. Okay, there's some smaller stuff still. Okay, Pint-Sized Heroes Horror. I will open this up. I don't usually open up the minis, the Pint-Sized Heroes. Oh, cool. For those It fans. Very cool. My wife will not approve of that one. Next, we have got all the small stuff. We got some stuff down at the bottom. So let's start with, yes, okay, this is a pop. Oh, this is a specialty series, Sesame Street. It does not look like the right name, but they're calling them Hairy Monster. Let's see. Okay, he's not the Cookie Monster. Okay. So you had the option of getting Super Grover, Cookie Monster, Oscar the Grouch, Bert, Ernie, Mr. Stuffleupagus, the Count, Elmo, Grover, and the 6-inch bird. We didn't have that's what's in the series. I don't know whether everybody got the same one or not, because I didn't look at that preview picture very hard because I didn't want to be spoiled. My wife is a big Sesame Street fan, so okay, well, let's see what this is. Oh, it's 2 pops. Oh, a Hellboy. I have all the other Hellboys, so I do not have this one. Very cool also. You can, right there's my Hellboys. There's, the other ones are behind there, the other members of the Hellboy team. Here's the back of the box. That is very cool. So it looks like I'll get at least 3 pops, if not 4. Okay, so now there's stuff in the bottom here. So let's see. We have, this is the spoiler card. We are not going to look at that yet. Okay, here's something on top. It's a Superman comic. So I guess we got a few comics thrown in. And oh. And a Green Lantern Corps comic. And a Patrice, I forget her name. Oh, drop the spoiler card. Oh, what's her name? It doesn't say the name here. Patricia Quinn. And I think this is Patricia Quinn right there. So we got a autograph. Anything else? Very cool. So let's read what this. Okay, Funko Pop Hellboy Specialty Series, Five Nights at Freddy's Pen Toppers, Cryptozoic Trading Cards, Sleepy Hollow Season 1, comic books, round 4 for the random comics. Every case will have a random comic or 2 inserted. There's so many, even we have no idea what you get. A Funko Pop Sesame Street Specialty Series. Not only do you get 1 pop in your case, you get 2. This additional pop is also part of the specialty series. Add Hairy Monster to your limited edition collection. And a pint-sized Heroes. Oh, you could have got a pint-sized Heroes Horror or Pop Keychain Nightmare Before Christmas. Cool. I'm not usually a pint-sized guy, but in my next box, I hope it's a pint size also. So it's a different, I hope I get a different pint size hero out of it. An Iron Maiden mask. No t-shirt this month. Something much better and much scarier has sneaked into your case instead. Put on this super scary and super detailed latex mask of Iron Maiden. Peace of Mind mask from NECA and get ready to scare all your Halloween friends. Yeah, these are not cheap. Does it have a list price? It does not. But probably at least $35. A lot of latex there. Okay, so let's see what's in the next box. This is awesome. So it's the only thing that's let's set it over here. We know I kind of know what we got going here. Okay, oh, we got a bonus in this one. Okay, so let's start off with the mask again. We've got the same mask, Eddie from Iron Maiden. And we've got a Hairy Monster. the hell, boy? Oh, and I'm upside down. Another Hellboy. So we're doubled up there. But we got a bonus pop. And we've got a different pen topper. That is cool. And we did get another pint-sized hero. So let's see who we got. Who do we want now? Elvira. A gremlin would be cool. Pinface, Freddy Krueger, Beetlejuice, Chucky. Any of those would be cool. So let's see. Is it a gremlin? Oh, Chasulu, I think's his name. Would not have been my first choice, but that's pretty cool. Put that with my horror. Okay, here's my Sleepy Hollow cards. The spoiler card. We only got one comic in this one. Green Lantern. And the grand finale. I knew I was getting this because I paid extra for this autograph. We saw him at the convention. We did not get his autograph there, but here we go. Barry Bostwick. So, do I need to read this again? Oh, we got this popped open. Let's see. Is there going to be another specialty series? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe just a common. But it'll be horror. Yep. Psycho. Norman Bates. Don't have that one. That is very cool. So let's put together our haul from this. So we got So we got 5 pops, 2 pint-sized heroes, 3 comic books, 2 Iron Maiden masks, and 2 autographs. That is very cool. So, leave me a comment down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. You have a wonderful day.